My professional recommendation is to not go for that. It's a very short-term solution. The paint usually doesn't last as long, and not a lot of options aesthetically to do a nice design or something reasonable. Better option would be to use overlay. There are a lot of polymer overlays in the market. Definitely want to check that with a local masonry supplier on what's available in your area and what they recommend for the weather condition and the different application, be it a driveway, a balcony, indoor garage concrete slab, or pathways. And for those, depending on the product and material, definitely want to follow the manufacturer's instructions as far as installing those. I actually recommend contacting that manufacturer and finding an authorized or approved local installer. And they're usually not easy to install, but definitely worth the extra expense and the extra effort because they add to the life of the concrete and you have a lot more options as far as design and aesthetics.